Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a solution for your Samsung TV. If you experience sudden restart or if you experience a boot loop, which is well known for F series of Samsung smart TVs, which are now pretty old, they are 10 years old, but even though they are still good smart TVs, and if you're still working but you experience sudden boot loops and you're using cable TV, that's a solution that I tried and it actually worked for me. So before I installed this device, I did a few things that I found on the internet that are explaining how you can prevent your F-series Samsung from uh, being into a boot loop. There are a few sites that describe that F-series Samsung's smart TVs are going into a boot loop from 2022 going on, and Samsung are aware of the problem, and they say that you should reset your smart hub or reset your TV or unplug your TV for 1 minute from the power socket and then plug it again, and then the TV will reset and will not restart as well. Or some solutions telling you that you should apply all the available updates. I did all this, and none of this actually resolved my problem. And I will show you now what was the problem with my TV. It was the boot loop. I will show you both scenarios. When I started my TV and went into a boot loop, I unplugged the TV cable, then the boot loop stopped, the TV started without a TV signal, then I plugged back the TV signal and the TV continued to be into a boot loop. And the other scenario where the TV started normally, but then when I started the menu, it went again into a boot loop. Watch this, and then I will tell you the solution, my solution. What was my problem? Actually, when I started the TV, it was going with this smart logo with the two icons from the smart hub. Then it showed the channel, and as the channel started, it then suddenly went into a boot loop, and it started from the beginning with the smart logo and with the two icons, and then it started the channel for 2 seconds, and then it restarted. What's my solution? Is I install this device. This is a galvanic surge protector. As you can see, it's a Model Series VP, and it's protecting the TV against electrical current, which is going into the coaxial cable of the TV, of the cable TV. This electric currents, this is of course just a device that you can buy on the market, but you can find other brands and models. I don't tell you that you should install this one. This is the device itself. As you can see, it's grounded. It's to the ground electrical wire of the electrical system now, and it's also a protection against thunders. But in the description it says that it can work on as well without grounding cable, just to protect the TV. It's mounted on the TV cable, as you can see, and the TV cable is then going on the TV. What I noticed was that when I start the TV and it goes into a boot loop, if I unplug this white cable before this device was mounted on it, the TV was starting normally. Of course, there was no TV signal into the TV, but the TV was starting okay. And when I plugged back the TV cable, the TV went again into a boot loop. Another problem that I noticed was that when I opened the menu of the TV, or when I go into the Smart Hub with the Smart Hub button on the remote control, the TV restarted as well. So these were the main reasons that I found that there is something wrong with the electric current on the TV cable. So I asked on the internet, and people who are experienced with TVs, with smart TVs, with Samsung TVs, told me that I should install a device like this. Another thing that I have to say, that I have 3 TVs at home, one other F-series, a smaller one, and another Samsung that is not a smart TV. So on the second TV, on the second F-series at home, I have a connected TV box. So people explained me that the TV box or some other device that is connected to the TV may give this additional electrical current that is not usual for the coaxial cable, and it may be able to make this TV restart. So I suppose that the TV box that is connected to the other one TV in the house may be giving out this current into the coaxial cable through the other TV, and so this TV is restarting. So I installed this device on the TV cable of the problematic TV, and for now I don't experience any problems, and so that's my solution for it. The device is called a galvanic disconnetor for electrical currents that are going through the coaxial TV cable. So you can look for it on the internet. This is my device, but of course you can search for other brands, whatever you find, and you can install them on your TV and you can try, because you don't know which one of your other TVs is giving electrical current through the TV cable in your house. So one of your TVs may look faulty, but it's not faulty. The problem is in one of the other devices, or maybe it could be also a device in the building, another device in the building where you live, one of the neighbor's devices. It may have some faulty capacitors on its motherboard. It may be giving some electrical current, additional electrical current, which is unusual to be on the TV cable. And then your F-series Samsung Smart TV may restart unwillingly, and you may think that your TV is faulty, and actually the problem is not in your TV. The problem is in the electrical current that's going through the coaxial cable. And last thing that I want to show you, this is grounded through the electrical socket. From here I just connected this wire to the grounding of this plug. It's just connected to these metallic plates, and when I plug this into the socket, this plug into the socket, so this is grounded, and the TV is not only protected from electrical currents additional electrical currents that are not supposed to go through the coaxial cable. It is also protected against thunders. So that's for me from now. I hope I have helped you, and please like the video if. There are also other types of these galvanic insulators or isolators on the internet. You can Google galvanic insulator on the internet, and you can find, of course, another types of this device that do not require grounding to the electrical circuit, to the zero of the electrical circuit. But they of course don't protect your TV against thunder. But I'm not making you decide on which model or which brand you can choose. Whatever you find, you can try this simple solution, and you can find that your F series Samsung TV is completely fine, but the problem with its boot loop is actually into the TV cable and into the TV network of your TV network provider, and not in your TV. It could be a problematic TV or a problematic device that is giving electrical current into the TV cable that makes your TV restart, and the problem is not only in the smart hub, not in the motherboard of your TV. It's not in your TV, it's into the TV cable. Try this and comment in the section below if this hack did help you. Thank you and goodbye.